You rolling?
Yep.
G'day, it's Ninja here, and I've got another little ninja here.
That's it.
New bloke, Leo.
Hey guys.
From Ninja Warrior. You might cut something in here. What do you reckon, mate? Just sort of swinging around, doing
That's it. I'm in.
handstands and stuff. So break dancing as well. This guy can do anything.
Okay, I'm in.
Another one.
But anyway, the purpose of this video today, you had a bit of mobility issues with your shoulders.
Yes.
You do lots of these kind of things.
Yeah,
but
lock positions.
Lock positions. Yep. So what does that do? So you can't
really
have the range that you'd
reach
like.
behind because I have two jammed forwards. So this is just a demo, just like that.
Yep.
So that's
Yeah.
kind of cracked a bit, but yeah.
Yeah.
Not that
So that's a
good.
bit better than you were doing before, actually, because you're probably a bit more warm. But
Yeah.
And you had a couple of spots where you felt like there was a tricep on one side and then the shoulder on the other. Which can you tell me which was which?
So it's just all inside this left kind of front, pec or so, right inside, underneath and everything, and then the opposite side, I guess. So
Yeah.
this way and then that way or so.
Yeah. So you might remember I did a little video on postural transformation. Have a look at it. I'll put it up here, the link. So I want to do some more dynamic treatment and use our friend here, the barrel, that we're going to put Leo over, put him over a barrel, and show you how we can do some dynamic treatment. So encourage the tissue to go stretch and transform in the way we want it to go. So we've got better posture, better function and things like that, but use tools and use intuition as well. So I was just thinking like back in the day, two guys sitting in the cave, you would have intuitively pushed into your own body and you would have known that it feels good, but sometimes you feel like you need somebody else to help you. And so it takes courage for one to ask for help, but it also takes courage for a person to offer that help and know that they're gonna, you're doing it for the greater good type of thing. So that's what we want to do, is have that courage to push in your own body, have the courage to ask somebody else, but also tune into your own intuition, because there's a knowing in your own body when something is right. Okay, so that's what I want to say to you, man, is tell me when you know it's right, tell me if it feels like it's traumatic, but know when it's good pain, and that comes with experience as well. So you got to actually receive treatment and give treatment to kind of know what is good. So little speech on courage there, and from the caveman. Awesome. Ninja. So let's take a little bit of gear off, man, so I can get a bit of access to you.
Okay.
Few layers. This bloke, he loves the big bag of gear.
Yeah.
What's that? A rap dancing kind of trade, or
Rap dancing.
just your own style, mate?
Yeah, my own kind of
Your own
hip hop
thing?
feel.
Hip hop.
B-boy.
Okay.
All right. So what are we doing first? You want to do? So there's a shoulder here, wasn't it?
Yeah, front left, just to open up a bit.
Yeah. So if you can lie on the barrel so that you can kind of maybe across it that way. So have your feet down there. Yep. And so we can get kind of half off. So I've got a little bit of wax, so you don't necessarily need this, but it is good to use tools when you have got it. So what I want to do is try and make connection, make purchase, and talk to Leo. How's that feel?
Yep, go for it.
Is that a good spot?
It's a spot, yeah.
That's a spot. So what I want you to do, man, is when you're feeling like it, just rock like that and move, and we're going to move your arm as well, so we can kind of exaggerate. So you come down from this way, Maddie, you might be able to see how we're trying to exaggerate and stretch that down like that. I can feel there that there's a lot more engagement when I pull your hand up.
Yep.
So I want to go over that tissue like that, engage it down. So with this, the palms are actually awesome tools. So you might think that it's all about the elbows and the thumbs, but bloody hell, the palms are really good. So they can really plow through the tissue, you can really engage with the heel, and when you want to, that pisiform, that little bit there on your hand, that can really do some sharp work. So just there, I can feel that it's sharp. It needs a bit of extra work like that. So we're engaging that tissue up. You can do a little bit of rocking just to help me engage with the tissue and get a bit more stretch. So up like that. How's that?
Good. See, I'm just jammed there. It's got to unblock. Unblock. Come on.
Yeah, unblock. Breathe.
Unblock, baby.
Yeah, I can feel that. We go up.
So is Leo trying to like rock onto the roll?
Yeah,
When
just-
I'm ready. When I'm ready.
Yeah, just intuition.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
all we're asking for here. It's a bit
He's
of
got full control.
whatever
of
he
his body.
feels like doing. Yeah, he's starting to rock now. So we're starting to go off that pec, and I'm starting to get into more like bicep through there.
Yeah.
So you can feel that. I can see that stretching. So I can do a counter stroke like that to try and encourage that tissue out and away like that.
That's good.
See that all stretching out?
Yep.
So it was that patience at the start, but then once we got it going, it started to move. So I'm just sort of thinking with this one, what else do you want? So do you want it to go up as well? So there might be where you kind of go up like that. So we might be able to get you going across the barrel, so get your feet around this way. And then roll onto your neck. Can we go like this?
Yes, yep.
To try and get that to... How's that there? Got a spot?
There, yeah. Left hand.
There?
Left hand.
So this one here, I can feel that I'm engaging in there. Like that.
Go. Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Double hand. That. Encourage that tissue.
That's good.
So we're really concentrating on the way we want to encourage the tissue. So we have to think about the direction we want to encourage things. So that was one of the main points of that previous video, the transformation, postural transformation. You've got to think about where things are stuck. So you don't want to push things into where they're already jammed. We want to get in there and dig it out and then encourage it away type of thing. So if you can go
Oh, yep.
You can have the arm.
Good.
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
So that can actually, you can see probably from side on, I'm trying to encourage that tissue like that. So this one here, this hand is a counter strain, and then I want to really encourage that tissue to stretch out.
That's good.
Like that. Just from here, you can kind of see that I want to hold this arm down. I'm just going to do a bit of that.
Yeah.
Get my whole body into it.
Yeah, look at that.
How's that look? Us?
Yes.
Us?
Us.
Wow, this is,
Oh.
Getting that full extension.
yeah.
See that?
Yeah, how's it going? You feel it moving?
Yeah. It's what I asked for. Us.
Us.
Bro.
So I went with my pisiform along his clavicle to try and catch all those little muscles there, but ploughing with the heel of my hand through his
Yep.
pec.
Oh, lovely.
You love it?
Yep. Oh, yeah, it's gone.
And
gone.
Just go through
Oh,
the,
it's gone.
just there. I'm going along his breastplate. What's that called? Sternum? The old sternum.
Breastplate's fine.
But I've still got
The old
tension,
breast-
traction on this elbow here to try and encourage it. Like that. Yeah, let it go, bro.
That's it.
Alright.
Oh, let's bring it back. Let's bring it
Yeah.
back.
Oh,
So do you want to test that out?
Yep.
Yeah, just have a test while we're, see with the work that we've already done. Yeah, that's,
Oh, bro.
how different is that?
Bro.
wow.
Look at that. So we're just going to do this side. Fuck.
Jesus.
I reckon he'll be able to touch his down
Nearly
here.
there, Leo.
Bro.
Look at that. Look at that.
Can't believe it.
Nearly touching.
Oh.
Nearly touching.
So
Let's
close.
do some work on this other one. I reckon we'll get it. So this side here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that now. So through your tricep.
Alright, let's keep it. Go.
That's awesome. I want some of that.
You want some? Come and get some.
Come and get
So
some.
go
I'll
lower
book
back
in.
again. So how can we get this to work? Lying down. So maybe some side lying might be good to kind of try and open this up. So we can do a bit. We want to go through here mainly, but let's do a bit through the lat. Like that.
yeah.
So,
Go to the left. Yep.
so I haven't got any my wax on my hand now, but I want to engage with the tissue like that, and then I'm going to encourage that to stretch out. You can see that, what I'm trying to do. Stuck in here, I want to push that tissue out and away. Get it out.
Yeah. Feel it.
So just pulling that back a little bit, supporting with this leg here a bit too. I felt like that would be a good thing. Like that.
Oh. Easy.
Look at that. Loving life. Life is a dream.
That's it.
Look at that. Can we see that on the film, Maddie?
Yeah.
Good angle.
Got 3 ninjas in one room. How lucky are we? I'm the only imposter, really. I called myself ninja without any credibility, without any
Just because of some
substance
guys,
behind it.
Just some music band guy.
Yeah, these two are real ninjas.
This is a good thumbnail. Right
Yeah,
now.
look at that.
Smile for the camera, Leo.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm smiling. Oh.
So we can keep that traction, and then like that.
Or doing the opposite. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep it, keep it,
So I want
keep
to.
it.
It's all about the direction.
Good spot for
You
Leo.
decide what direction.
Yep. Keep it.
Do you want to smile or do you want to frown? You decide. Like that. I can feel some shit in there.
Yeah.
Still supporting this back leg. You can catch that, Matty.
Yeah.
So he's supported, but he's on a stretch.
Oh.
So what you can kind of notice as well is the stuff on this side is gonna get a treatment just from being in that stretch, you know, on the barrel.
Oh yeah.
Let's roll it out.
And this side is gonna get encouraged to stretch out even more. Like
I
that.
feel like an opposite ice bath now. Or just
Heat.
heat instead of the numbing feel. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
So I'm going through the outside of his tricep.
Oh, ice bath. Oh,
Love the ice bath, did you,
Yeah.
Leo? It was good for you.
yeah, first time. Oh.
First time I ice bath.
Yep.
It's all in the mind, isn't it,
Yeah,
bro?
it is.
Matty's like a seasoned professional. He's like one of those monkeys that just sits in there and
An ice bath.
in the ice bath.
Oh man, I struggled with the second one.
So yeah, it's all in the mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, use your breath, and yeah, breath is important in this sort of stuff too. Like Leo's probably naturally breathing as I've been giving him curry
Yeah.
to work through those tough spots. But yeah, that's like that. So let's do one more line and draw. You know, that's where you go up,
Yeah.
straight up like that. Can you get it lie across the barrel, maybe straight up like that, and then I'll do a line through here.
Yeah.
So we want to start in this notch in there. Does that feel all right? You tell me what feels good. Where
Everything
to go.
feels good. That's a spot. Yeah.
That's a good spot.
Just keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it,
So we're going to try and support him.
keep it.
Yeah, make sure this barrel doesn't roll.
Oh, yep, good, good.
Yeah, good.
Yep. That's a spot. Yep.
So yeah, first time ever this manoeuvre been done. Maybe not, but we'll say that.
Homer Simpson was first.
Homer Simpson. Cut that bit in here too.
To go.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
About done?
Yeah.
Had enough?
Done.
Had enough?
We're done.
All right.
Okay, I'm back.
He's back from.
Wait, I'm back. Right, here we go. Ready?
Let's test.
Do
This
it.
is real. Look at that. How's he going? What do we need to do? He's close.
Come on, Leo.
He's close. Where do you feel that?
Oh, okay. Could be
Too much muscle.
bicep or something. Or
Your biceps too big, mate.
yeah.
It's pretty good. But like from
From where you come from.
Yeah.
Let me just do the wall for a sec. There. Anything?
That's good. Almost there.
Go. Oh, that's really good. That's
Can
awesome.
you try the other way around?
Okay. This is the normal way. That's normal.
Yeah. So we need to do the same treatment, but the opposite. So we've done half the job.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. So if we did this, the opposite to what we just did on the other sides, I think we'd get. Anyway, I've got one more thing for you, mate. Come over here. Can you sit here?
Yep. Oh.
1, 2, please don't sue.
1, 2, better not sue.
If you're seeing Homer Simpson, maybe choose somebody else to help you out with your issues. But so main thing is courage to push into your body, find out where your issues are, where you've got restrictions, where you don't have the amount of function that you'd like. But then, yeah, work with somebody and use your intuition, and you'll always get it right. So yeah, hopefully got somewhere out of that. And watch the other video. The direction that you're pushing is really important. So we don't want to jam things into where they're already stuck. We want to get it to go out. So we want to stretch things out. So hopefully you got something out of this video. Thanks very much for your first video with us, Leo. And yeah, we'll do plenty more.
Woo!
Cool.
Done.